In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model, texture and render a photorealistic spoon. I'll post a link to this tutorial's blend file and PBR images in the description below. Let's create a cube and press Ctrl 2 to subdivide. We need to scale the cube. Go to the side view and rotate the cube a bit like this. Let's scale the cube on the Z-axis and remove the upper faces. Let's extrude these edges. We only need half of this mesh. Let's arrange the vertices to match the reference image. When subdividing and mirroring, please make sure the mirror modifier is placed at the top. Let's solidify the spoon mesh. We can apply a metallic material like this. Let's create a ground mesh with a plane. Please activate an add-on called Node Wrangler to use this feature. Let's press Ctrl, Shift and T together to open the PBR images. Let's scale the texture like this. Let's create a new plane and apply the emission shader with a strength of 8. Please select the light mesh and press Ctrl plus numpad 0 to look through the light. Please use Shift and tilde key to rotate and pan using mouse and WASD keys. Let's do the rest of the usual render setup with the cycles renderer, filmic, curves, denoise and 128 samples. This is the end of the spoon scene render tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.